Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare AWS in VS Code. We'll dive straight into understanding how the AWS toolkit for Visual Studio Code streamlines your development process. We'll examine its key features and then stack them up versus the traditional AWS management console. Our goal is to help you determine which approach is better suited for different tasks, ultimately boosting your productivity and efficiency. The AWS toolkit for Visual Studio Code brings the cloud directly to your coding environment. Imagine deploying a serverless application or managing an S3 bucket without ever leaving your editor. This integration significantly reduces context switching, allowing for a smoother development flow. Plus, features like local Lambda debugging and seamless credential handling make your daily tasks much more efficient, saving you valuable time. While the VS Code toolkit is powerful, the AWS Management Console remains indispensable. Its comprehensive graphical interface is perfect for complex configurations, offering a bird's-eye view of your entire cloud infrastructure. For tasks like initial service setup, in-depth troubleshooting, or reviewing detailed analytics across multiple services, the console provides unparalleled visual clarity and control. It's your go-to for administrative oversight and less frequent, but critical, operations. Ultimately, the best approach involves leveraging both tools strategically. For daily development, coding, and rapid deployments, the AWS toolkit in VS Code is your speed demon. When you need to perform broad administrative tasks, monitor your entire infrastructure, or tackle intricate service configurations, the AWS Management Console shines. By combining these powerful tools, you create a highly efficient and flexible workflow that maximizes your productivity across all your AWS endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.